Namaskar, friends. When you're traveling in a boat, how many holes are allowed? Even if it is the one small hole in a boat that can sink you. Do you know there are 20 holes? Now, this today we are going to talk only 11 holes. Let's look at all the 11. So, even one hole, if it is remaining there, depending on the size of the hole, probably fastest we can drown. So let's look at them. What are they? What are those 11 holes? Are we aware of those holes? Are we taking care of those holes? Let's look at them very carefully today. There are about six people's, case studies we'll study. Friends, this person is 39-year-old, 5 feet 5 inches. Look at fasting insulin is very high. A1C is diabetic. Thyroid is very high, 26.2. Triglycerides to HDL ratio should be below 2. Below 2 means insulin sensitivity. It's very high, almost 4 5 times. Then D vitamin is low, B12 is low, D vitamin 10.11, 10.11, B12 is 197. Weight, she's overweight. Blood pressure is okay, and insulin resistance is 11.2. It's very, very high. It should be below 1.5. And one medicine. Out of 11 parameters, 11 holes, 11 parameters, she has got only one okay. That means there is a leakage from 10 holes. So it's very, we must take care very immediately. Let's look at another case study. Is a 43-year-old male, 5 feet 11 inches. Look at high fasting insulin. And then the green means they're okay. There are out of here only one green, here only there are two greens. And overweight and high insulin resistance, four medicines. And look at another person, female 20 years. Look at, she's okay on three parameters. High insulin. Again, everybody, look at the biggest problem is the insulin. The range should be 3 to 6, but the lab says 3 to 25. This test is not being done. So you don't know your problem. Another person is 35-year-old, 5 feet 4 inches. Look at, he's okay on four parameters. He's overweight and he has better D vitamin is okay. B12 is very low and taking one medicine. This gentleman is 47-year-old, 5 feet 2 inches. He's okay on four parameters. But look at commonality. Everybody has D vitamin deficiency. Everybody has B12 deficiency. Most of them are overweight. And let's see another person, 37-year-old male, 5 feet 7 inches. Look at high insulin and then low D vitamin, low B12. He's taking a medication. Out of 11 parameters is okay only on 4. So what do you think, friends? Commonality is what? High insulin. Why is the high insulin? We are all habituated to eat multiple times in a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, coffee, tea, and all that. Multiple times eating that to high carb foods over a period of 5 10 years, people will start developing high insulin and then it can lead to diabetes. Look at out of these six people, three are diabetics. All right, and all of them are overweight. Most of them have belly fat, and out of six people, four people are on medication. Very pathetic situation. So we need to address this. These are the 11 very critical holes. We must plug all of them. What does that mean? We must be insulin sensitive. We must have a better glucose control. We must be non-diabetic below 5.6%. Thyroid should be under control. Triglycerides to HDL ratio should be below 2, the ratio. And D vitamin should be above 50. B12 should be above 500. Weight should be as per height. Waist size should be as per half of the height in inches. Blood pressure should be 90 by 60 to 120 by 80. Insulin resistance is a calculation. Fasting insulin multiplied by fasting glucose divided by 405. The value should be below 1.5. So all of them have got, look at 11.2, 5.77, 16. Very, very, very high. 20-year-old girl with so many health problems. And This gentleman with 9, 3.334, and medication. So look at the health score. So do you allow even one hole to be remaining there, friends? Pay attention. Lot of people, they suppose somebody is diabetic, they're only trying to plug that hole. Remember, we must plug all these 11 holes. Let's learn what is those other 9 holes which are there. We will observe it in the next episode. Friends, my name is Gangeshwar Rao. I'm not a doctor. I've improved my health. I've invested substantial time. I help people free of cost. And you can join my Wellness Secrets group, and you can listen to my videos in YouTube channel. It's necessary knowledge and discipline are the gateways to your health span, friends. You must invest time. If you don't invest time, you can't get the knowledge. Once you don't have the right knowledge, you will not be able to do the right things. Pay attention, friends. My good wishes to you.